Assalamualaikum to our lecturer Dr. Zulia Zura binti Muhammad Soleh. So today I will do presentation about the improvement of control system at UTHM biodiesel pilot plant. So before I start our presentation, I will introduce my group member. My name is Ezzul Hafiz bin Zulkifli. Next is Arif bin Nur Azlan, Iskandar Mukhris bin Mak Supri, and Daniel Safwan bin Zainal Abidin. So for the project introduction, this project requires the student to divide into 5 members of each group. Student need to review the control system and propose a new system at the UTHM biodiesel pilot plant located at Parit Raja campus. To complete this project, all of the justification of the new proposed control system need to be included, and including the appropriate sketch by using a suitable software. So for the biodiesel pilot plant, it is about the converting the feedstock of CPO, crude palm oil, into fuel grade biodiesel, which is performed in a pilot plant with a capacity of 1 metric ton per batch. The batch process has been selected for operational flexibility of equipment, the possibility of a variety of raw materials, as well as the plant retrofit for the future development. The production process is fully controlled by the SCADA system under a supervisory control and data acquisition. So the objective of this project is to study the process control system implemented in UTHM biodiesel plant. Next, to propose an alternative control system for improvement or betterment of the UTHM biodiesel plant. Next, I will pass to second presenter, Daniel Safwan. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, His Office, for the presenter. And I will continue about UTHM biodiesel pilot plant process review. The feedstock of CPO is converted into a fuel grade biodiesel will be performed in a pilot plant with a capacity of 1 metric ton per batch. A pilot plant design is modular. One module of CPO pretreatment which convert CPO into bleached palm oil. A second one for refining and separating, which convert the process and BPO into the end product of biodiesel that meet EN 14214 fuel certification. There are 6 processes involved in the production of biodiesel at UTHM pilot plant, which is pretreatment, esterification, transesterification, water washing and vacuum drying, methanol recovery, and polishing. For pretreatment process is to convert the crude palm oil to bleached palm oil for further process. Next, esterification process is the process to convert the fatty acid containing in BPO to methyl ester until the mild condition. The third one is transesterification process. The process is the core process in biodiesel production, which is the process will convert all the remaining oil in the solution to biodiesel completely. Washing and drying process. The purpose of this process is to remove and excess methanol and catalyze in the methyl ester. This process is proposed mixing and neutralization. Methanol recovery. Methanol recovery is essential in the attempt to make the biodiesel eco-friendly and safer. Next, I will pass to my friend.
Okay, thank you, Daniel. So I will continue on the UTHM biodiesel plant pilot plant control review. So first, all of the biodiesel process is controlled by the operator in the control room by using the SCADA system. However, the pilot plant has switched for the manual control for actuating valve in case of the emergency. The second is the pilot plant comprises of capacity at 1 metric ton and operate in batch. The third is SCADA system also majorly helps to gather information or data from sensors and instruments that are placed at remote area where the computer later process the data to present in to present it in a timely manner. So the advantage of SCADA system is enable large amount of data to be stored by the system and data to be displayed in many form of formats. The second is can help to monitor and control diverse operation. So proposed control system for UTHM biodiesel pilot plant is the process problem, washing and drying. So during the washing and drying process, chemical is needed for the vacuum drying to make sure the drying process can occur. So the second is the current control system does not include the temperature indicator, which can make the process of vacuum drying could be overheat. So the purpose control system for UTHM biodiesel pilot plant is to propose new control system that is feedback control. First is feedback control is a closed loop controller that has a feedback loop which ensure the controller exerts a control action to control a process variable at the same value as the set point. The third is for this reason, closed loop controllers are also called feedback controller, which apply in UTHM biodiesel plant. And for this feedback system, TIC can detect the temperature, either it is applicable as the set point temperature before entering the vessel. The thermostat, which is the temperature indicator controller, measures the input temperature in the vessel. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Arif. So we'll talk about proposed new control justification. So basically, this proposed new control justification is feed-forward control system is an ideal control scheme when there is a known or defined source of routine disturbance. Feed-forward is able to key in on the source and by modeling the range disturbance emanating from that source. Feed-forward control can prepare an appropriate response. So I will go to project conclusion. The project that we are dealing with is process control as our course from uh, plant mechanical. So where we need to visit the diesel plant located at main campus of UTHM. Process control is course that gives us exposure in handling instruments beginning with pre-treatment until the product is produced. Process control is a good platform to expose us to the real situation in industry, especially regarding instruments requiring an engineer's expertise to complete the chemical processes involved, and we have witnessed how the control process is applied in UTHM biodiesel. Thank you.